My helmet decided to wonk out, so now I got headphones in. Yeah, my helmet decided to wonk out, so here I am having to listen to stupid headphones. Headphones are so uncomfortable on a helmet. Like I don't know why, but they won't stay in my ears for shit. So they're like halfway falling out. Like they're not even getting pulled out, they're just falling out. Stupid shiz, dude. Stupid shiz. Where am I at? 16 seconds. 13, 12. Oh my god, that just made it worse. All good. Whatever. What am I doing? I am about to get caught up in this storm. I gotta get home quick. Oh my gosh, I'm in my work clothes too. I was gonna drive my bike to work and risk it, but this storm is just getting too intense for me. Way too intense for me. So we'll see how well I can handle it. I hope I don't have to change. God, I hope I don't have to change. Let's get my ass home. Oh shit, I see lightning. I see lightning. I see any popo around, so I can speed the fuck out of here. No! Here comes the rain! It's exactly what I didn't want, and here it is. Yes. 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 Oh. I'm getting shit on by the gods. I'm getting pissed on by the gods. Let's see how waterproof my backpack is. I got like my books in there and shit. I'm about to just go. I can't sit here in the rain. I can't stand this. This guy was laughing at me. I don't know. I have a hole in my GoPro. We'll see if that works out well for me. Getting caught up in the rain. Everybody needs to know my pain. I do not want. Oh my god, I'm getting wet up in this bitch. I'm gonna pass this. I'm going to pass this guy because I can't be behind big cars. God fucking damn it. About to go tuck mode on this bitch. Go home, Roger. Ah! Oh, I hate the freaking rain. I hate the rain. I hate the rain. I hate the rain. I hate the rain. You know, I'm not so worried about my upper body, but it's that I'm wearing, whoa, it's that I'm wearing dress pants and dress shoes on this bitch. That is my biggest worry. Good thing I'm here and I didn't go to work yet because I have the opportunity right now to go home, change my clothes, get dry, and then also get into the goddamn cage. Because I am not in the cage right now, obviously. Look at this guy, sitting comfortable. Really though, I'm just glad it happened now and not, you know, 2 hours on my way down. But that's why you check the weather reports, because if I had checked the weather report and it says that it is storming as shit down where I work, and I'm glad that I checked it, so I know to go this way, even though I got pissed on this way. I'd rather get pissed on for that, 2 minutes I was in the rain, rather than getting fucking destroyed for a 40-minute drive. So we're good. I'm not opposed to riding in the weather. That's kind of why I risk it. But it's the fact that I don't have, I'm not wearing, but it's the fact that I'm not wearing any waterproof pants. Like I said, I'm wearing regular dress pants, and I have regular, shoes on, regular dress shoes on. Oh man, this guy's stuck walking. Hopefully he doesn't get rained on. Where does he work? I don't know, I couldn't tell by his uniform. Who would walk in a robe though? Why would you just leave that at work? I used to have a job where that required us to have a vest. Do you think oh, she has to walk in the rain too? I definitely did not ever bring my vest home to wash it. No, no, no. Shut up. Alright. Time to get into the goddamn cage later.